Hey guys, this is David from SoCal Fence and Barn. Today we're going to show you guys how easy it is to install a 10x20 horse stall. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is find an area where you're going to want to put your stall. We got the panels laid out here where we want the stall. So now we're going to go ahead and pop them up and get them clamped together. Okay, so we're going to get these two panels lifted up, and you're going to use the panel clamps that are provided to clamp these together. So when you guys are using the panel clamps, make sure the net end is sticking outside of the stall. You just get that snugged up. You don't need to tighten it down yet. Go ahead and do the same thing with the bottom one. Again, making sure the nut is on the outside of the stall. Just go ahead and get that hand tight, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing down on the other end. Alright, so what we got here, this is our 4-rail panel. It's made with 1.5 inch post with 1.25 inch rails and 3/4 inch center supports. And you can see that this isn't no flat strap. This is nice steel tubing. It goes all the way down the center, nice and strong and sturdy. We do have 5 rails, but again, this is just a 4-rail panel we have here. Again, make sure the panel clamp bolt goes on the outside, the nut goes on the outside, because you don't want the nut inside the stall because the bolt sticks out right here and it's kind of sharp, and you don't want your horse rubbing up on it or cutting himself. It's only been like 5 minutes and we're almost done. This is our panel gate combo. Again, 4-rail, nice heavy duty. So yeah, these panels are made with 1.5 inch posts with 1.25 inch rails, and it's 14 gauge, so it's really strong. All right, this is the last panel to clamp together. So once you get all the panels on there, you can kind of look at your panels, make sure they're straight and everything's lined up before you go ahead and tighten them all down. So let's do a little check here. Now that we got all the panel clamps on here, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and tighten it down. So all I have here is a 14mm socket. Okay, we got the 10x20 stall all set up. Easy as that. You can see it's pretty easy to do with one person. The only thing that gives you a little issue is the panel gate combo because it's so tall. So you kind of have to prop it up using your leg and your arm. But if you have someone to help you out, that'd be great. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how easy it is to set up our 10x20 stall. Again, this is a 4-rail panel. And if you guys got any questions, go ahead and give us an email or give us a call. And be sure to check out our website at SoCalFenceandBarn.com. That's it for today's video. If you guys got any questions, like I said, just go ahead and give us an email. And my brother or I will reach out to you, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.